Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to test an EZGO golf cart motor. Before diving into complex diagnostics, always start with the basics. First, verify your battery pack voltage with a multimeter. It should be fully charged. Next, carefully inspect all motor connections for any signs of corrosion or loose wiring, as these can easily prevent proper operation. Finally, pay close attention to any unusual sounds when you try to move the cart, as these can indicate mechanical issues. To perform a basic motor function test, you'll need to isolate the motor. Disconnect it from the controller and any other components. Then, using a 12-volt battery, carefully apply direct current to the motor's A1 and A2 terminals or the appropriate terminals for your motor type. Observe if the motor spins smoothly and consistently. If it does, this suggests the motor itself is likely functional, and the issue might lie elsewhere in the electrical system. Next, let's test the motor's internal resistance using an ohmmeter. You'll want to measure the resistance between the motor's armature and field terminals. Refer to your specific EZGO golf cart manual for the correct resistance values, as these can vary. A reading of 0 ohms typically indicates a short circuit, while an infinite reading suggests an open circuit, both of which point to a faulty motor that likely needs replacement. If basic tests are inconclusive, consider a professional motor load test for a more comprehensive analysis. Also, inspect the motor's carbon brushes for wear. They should be replaced if they are only 1/4 of their original length. Worn or stuck brushes can cause performance issues or no power at all. If your motor consistently fails multiple diagnostic tests, it's usually time to consider replacing it to restore your golf cart's performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.